Which group of coins equals 0 and 30/100ths of a dollar? So the first thing I'm going to do is look at all my models, and I'm going to count up how much money it is. I'm going to go ahead and put myself a little place value chart beside each one of these. Now, if it was more than a full dollar, I would need a place value for the tens place. But looking at my coins, I'm assuming there's not a lot of coins here. I'm probably not going to be over a digit in the ones place. So these are each worth 10 cents. So 2 dimes are worth 20 cents. 3 dimes are going to be worth 30 cents. Here I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in looking at my question, I know it's not F. I think it's G, but again, I checked my other two answers. 40 cents and 60 cents are incorrect.